Do you know you can actually transcribe those voice notes to text? If you've been using WhatsApp all this while and you don't know about this, pay attention. You have that one friend that always send you 3 minutes voice notes and they don't normally type. I can show you how you would transcribe those voice notes and you don't necessarily need to keep listening to it or keep getting distracted by those voice notes. So all you need to do is go to your WhatsApp. Meanwhile, it doesn't work perfectly on WhatsApp business, that's business WhatsApp, but on your normal WhatsApp this works perfectly. So this is on iPhone and you can actually do it on Android provided it's not WhatsApp business. So all you need to do is come here, you click here, then you go to chat, you click on chat. I hope you can see this here, voice message transcript. Then I'll tap on it and I'll click here, tap transcript. When you want to transcribe, I'll click here. Then I can choose any other language if I wish. Yeah, okay, let me just choose United Kingdom, and that's all right. So let's go back to my charts. Now I hope you can see this. So I can click on transcribe right now. Let's see what this voice note is all about. Let's give it a little time. Okay, I hope you can see this. Good evening, bro. How are you doing? Sorry, I am sending this message by this time of the day. I have been trying to reach you since morning. So this is perfectly working. Try it out and tell me on the comment section what you observe. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and see you on the next one.